Accompaniment. Something that goes along with or adds to something else, like music with singing or a side dish with a meal. The piano was a beautiful accompaniment to her singing. The piano was a beautiful accompaniment to her singing. French fries are a popular accompaniment to burgers. French fries are a popular accompaniment to burgers. Soft music can be a nice accompaniment when studying. Soft music can be a nice accompaniment when studying. The violin provided a lovely accompaniment to the orchestra. The violin provided a lovely accompaniment to the orchestra. Bread and butter are a common accompaniment to soup. Bread and butter are a common accompaniment to soup.